3S power.
I wouldn't be you, but I woke up to yet another morning out of the blue. You went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace and find why you want more, 'cause there's no reason. I will shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it here anyway. You used to say that you don't belong, but I never thought you would go. What did I do wrong? Your mother said there's no need to blame ourselves. Out of the blue, you went and left me here alone. No actions to it, so more. I want more, 'cause there's no reason. I'll shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it here anyway. Cause there's no reason. I'll shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it here anyway.
I'm not sure if it will, you know. It's burying itself. Oh, nearly. Oh no. Yay, he's made it. It doesn't parachute.
Right. Do you know that because it doesn't parachute, you might not destroy the body as well?
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of hoping. Oh! Oh! No, it won't self right. I'm pretty happy with it, you know, dude. straight in the face. Jump's fairly nice, you know. If that was a normal short course body, that would be all over the place.
Oh, you wouldn't have been able to do that long jump.
Oh, here we go, flat out, all the way from the top. Oh, that landed on the head, didn't it?
It landed at the side.
I don't want to kill that body yet, really.
I don't really want to kill the body yet. So why are you jumping it?
The body's fine, actually, it loves it.
It seems to roll, it seems to set right as well.
Yeah. Let's see if I can jump it flat out on this one again.
You may have broken it.
No,
Something doesn't look right.
how did you know?
Oh, it just didn't look right. It didn't look like it was driving right for some reason.
That is the first time I've broken a stock arm, but I've got RPM arms on me.
Oh, bonus.
When in doubt, air it out. There we go. Right, once more, and then we'll put a new arm on it. Oh! How was like that hit that? Is it new arm time?
Yeah, it's definitely broken now.
Oh, that was straight in the face. Alright, so just got the new arm on there, RPM there, part number there. And now I'm going to try some different tyres on there. Maybe hit the skate park over there. What's going to happen?
Gonna air it out.
Gonna air it out. Alright, so we've got some different tyres on there now, the proper short course ones. These are fast track specials. So you can see what the top end is on 3S Lipo. Yeah, that got to flat out. I reckon 30 mile an hour. Oh, 38. There's nothing in it.
Yeah, yours is a bit fast, there's not a lot in it.
There's not. His is running 2S Lipo, same motor, same gearing. This is running 3S, but this motor's been run on 6S before and got stupidly hot.
Yes, my motor's fresh, yours is dead.
Alright, so should we stick this speed meter on yours? 39.2 now, look. I reckon yours ain't going to be far off for that, you know. Alright, 2S Lipo, let's see what it can do.
Any faster than that.
I'm guessing 35, what do you reckon? Ugh. Have a guess, Mitchell.
I reckon about 32.
28.5. Ow, 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 ow. That feels good, Mitch. Battery's flat, shall I leave it while it's still alive? So guys, I'm really happy with that body. I mean, it looks awesome. It seems to handle pretty good. It doesn't parachute, nowhere near as bad as what it used to. It stays nice and level in the air. It's a lot easier to do the air control. Durability wise, not bad. I mean, it took a few little bad hits and it split. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It split a little bit just there and the same on that side. But other than that, it's still looking pretty perfect. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon, bye.